So you've been applying to several remote jobs, but all you keep hearing is, unfortunately, we've decided to move forward with other candidates. I totally get it. It can be frustrating, but most times it's not always about experience. One thing we overlook while applying for remote jobs is our skills. This includes both hard skills and just soft skills. Remote companies today want more than just employees. They want people who can communicate online, manage tasks digitally, and then use modern tools. Yes, but the good news is you don't need a fancy degree or expensive boot camps to learn them. Today, I'll show you free websites where you can learn real in-demand remote job skills. If you want to work in customer support, say data entry jobs, digital marketing, design or tech, these sites would help you build real-world digital skills that recruiters love. So whether you're a beginner looking to land that first remote gig as a social media manager, a virtual assistant, data entry, or content writer, or you're currently working in any remote job positions and you just need to develop any skills either in relations to your current role or a new skills, these websites are good options. I'll walk you through each platforms, what you will learn from there, and how to get started free. So don't skip any part of this video because I will share some tips on how to get some hidden free courses from some other websites. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. So let's go. First up is HubSpot Academy. If you've ever wanted to learn digital marketing, content creation, or how online business, manage their customers, HubSpot is your go-to website. It's completely free and they offer free, short, high-quality courses taught by their marketing professionals. Yes, what you can learn from HubSpot varies. You can learn email marketing, you can learn SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, how to build and grow your mailing list. You can learn social media marketing, say strategy, analytics, content creations, content marketing. You can, how to write and plan your content that converts, CRM and sales enablement, how to use customer management tools, a key skill for remote support and virtual assistant roles. Plus, you get a free certificate, that you can post on LinkedIn or add to your resume, and recruiters love seeing those things. They have various courses, as we can see, the social media marketing, content marketing, and some of these courses are like 8 hours, and then you get certifications for it. Next is Udemy. Udemy is one of the biggest online learning platforms in the world. See, unlike other platforms, Udemy lets you learn anything. I mean, literally anything. While many courses are paid on Udemy, there are thousands of free ones you can get. Once you come into their website, you get to the other IT and software site. You scroll down to where you have the price. You come to the price. If you filter here, you have between paid or free. Now I've just toggled out the free. If you toggle your cursor back to the free options, you'll see a lot of their free courses available, and you can choose from here. Here we have introduction to cloud computing, practical introduction to cloud computing. There are thousands of programming courses, visualizations. There are different cybersecurity courses for beginners. They have different free courses that you can learn from Udemy. They have courses like for SQL databases, Excel for beginners, which is perfect for data entry or admin work. They have social media management basics, introduction to graphic design with Canva. They have freelancing opportunities, which helps you, to start earning remotely as a freelancer. There are 1,001 courses. If you see, the pages are up to 252 pages, and you can filter out the free courses that you can do. The only thing is that most of these free courses, you don't get certificates for it, But one thing is that you gain the knowledge, and that knowledge you can always put into your CV, to stand you out for job opportunities. See, Udemy is great for beginners. If you can pay for the paid version, this is very good, because with the paid version, you get the certificates, right? But if you can't, there are free courses you can take from Udemy and which still stands you out, right? Udemy is great for beginners who are testing what skills they enjoy. It's flexible, bite-sized, and it's full of real-world lessons. So you should try Udemy out. The third one I will talk about is Allison. See, Allison is one of the oldest and most underrated platforms for free online learning. They have a mission to make education accessible to everyone, and you can get free diplomas and certificates from Allison. See, there are different courses you can learn from here, ranging from, say, project management. You can get customer service skills, which is good for, people who do remote support or client support jobs. You can get diploma in digital marketing, freelance writing and editing courses. There are 1,001 courses. Another thing you can get, if I see, for instance, if I toggle here and say data entry, let's see what we get in here. In here, you can see we have data entry tools and techniques. It's a 2 to 3 hours course, and about 127,000 people have taken this course. You get to see what you will learn. Explains the concept of data entry and its importance, distinguish between offline and online data entry jobs, identify key responsibilities, job titles related. Tell me why you will finish this course, use your certificate, and then you tell me you don't find roles. No, there will be job opportunities available for you when you have been able to upskill with some of these certifications. It has both intermediate, if you're looking for beginner level. Up here you'll see if it's beginner level. If it's intermediate, you can choose whichever one that you want to learn. So I've done a lot of trainings from Allison. I've done Excel training from Allison and Microsoft SQL training from Allison with certifications. And it's a great platform to learn with. The platform, even has career guides and resume build tools. So it's not just learning, it's prepping you for remote work access. At number 4 would be Coursera. Coursera is a huge learning platform. Coursera partners with top universities and global companies like Google, IBM, Meta to offer professional level online courses. You can learn in-demand remote skills such as project management, data analysis, social media strategy, UX UI design, customer support, and communication skills. A lot of things you can learn. AI tech skills. You can learn all this from Coursera. Now, see, the truth is, most courses on Coursera are paid. But here is a hack most people don't know. You can audit courses on Coursera for free. For instance, if you want to learn anything, all you need to do to learn for free is you click on this, for instance, where you have this enroll for free. Now, there are 2 options. You can enroll for free, and this option will give you 7 days free trials. If you can, finish whatever you want to learn in 7 days, you can get the certificates. But also, you can come to this enroll for free. Now, instead of continue, there is this secret one down here that says preview this course. I will toggle in to show us what it looks like. So you come to preview this course. You can see the course costs £36. It's been stated there. But if you come to preview this course, you have these options. The courses come out, the module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can get started. But the only thing is that you will not have the certificate once you are done with this. But you've learned all this. And so if you're just looking to have the knowledge of all these things and you're not so particular about certificates and you really want to learn from Coursera, this is a good way to learn. because it gives you access to the full content, no payment, no strings attached. However, like I said, the only downside is that you might not get the certificate for the course except you pay, but you will definitely get to learn the skills. So the next I'm going to talk about is Google Digital Garage. Now, Google Digital Garage is a free online learning hub that is designed for beginners. This is designed by Google itself. It's perfect if you're just starting out or you're switching careers into remote work. Now, the platform, covers practical skills every remote worker needs. If you come into your Google, center, you come into browse here, you would have the Google Arts, Google Digital Garage, Google for Education. You have the Google Marketing Platform, YouTube, Ways Academy. You come into this Google Digital Garage, and in here, you would see lots of courses that you can learn. See, these are all the courses here. This is a 40-hour course, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. You improve your online business security, you understand the basics of code, get a business online, build confidence with self. See, there are, lots of courses that you can learn from this. When you come into the search bar here, you can type in the course you want. Say, for instance, I want to learn something about communication. All I need to do is type it in here, click enter. You'll see every available course on communication. We have business communication, communicate your ideas through storytelling and design. So you can pick any of this course and then you can learn with that. Google lessons are beginner friendly and you will earn verified certificates that you can attach to your resume or your LinkedIn. And finally, the last one would be Google Skills Shop. Google Skills Shop is perfect if you want to specialize in digital marketing or arts management. Skills Shop teaches you directly from Google on how you can use their tools professionally. So if you are looking to be a social media manager, or you are currently a social media manager and you want to develop on this, or you just want to learn something that is related to digital marketing or arts, this is a very good platform to use. You get to see some of the courses available. Google Ads Measurement Certifications. You can see your AI-powered shopping ads certification. It's a 1 hour, 15-minute course, and you get Google certifications once you're done with this. Google Ads Search, Google Ads Display certifications. There are lots of, Google Analytics certification. This is a 5-hour course. Now, each courses come with the official Google certificate, which you can showcase on your portfolio or your LinkedIn to, prove that you know this stuff. So the truth is, the remote work opportunities are endless, but only if you have the right skills. See, these 6 websites I've mentioned, which are HubSpot Academy, Udemy, Allison, Coursera, Google Digital Garage, and Google Skills Shop. They give you the exact skills top companies are hiring for right now. So instead of just sitting and scrolling, social media, spend 30 minutes a day learning something new. Something new is not all about the certificates also. It's also about the knowledge. So spend those time learning something new, because one free course could be the reason you land that next remote job. So I hope you found this video valuable. Next time, I would show us 5 high-income remote skills you can learn to land that remote job fast. So if you're a beginner looking for beginner-friendly remote healthcare jobs, I have linked this video here for you. Don't forget to subscribe, save this video, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs, sites to learn skills and it's been worried about how to pay for some of those things, or you have that sibling that has been asking you money to learn a skill or a course online. Send this to them where they can learn for free. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Keep grinding.